Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you tired of scrolling and being a lot on your TikTok lately and want to take a break? Well, don't worry. Online Help Guide is here to help you. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on three horizontal lines that is on the top right corner of your screen. A menu bar will pop up. Tap on Settings and Privacy. On Settings and Privacy page, scroll a bit downwards until you find Logout and tap on it. A menu bar will pop up. Tap on Logout. So that is how you log out of your TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.